Hey, what's up YouTube? How you doing? This is Northwest Stacker. I hope everything's going well. And like always, if you find anything helpful in this video, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. So today we're going to be talking about how to stack weight quick, easy, and super cheap. So when I first started stacking silver, I concentrated 100% on American Silver Eagles. And that's what I looked at for months, and that's all I bought. And there's nothing wrong with American Silver Eagles. I think they're a great piece to your foundation, but the premiums are kind of high. So when I look back at it, if I had to do it all over again, I would concentrate on junk silver. Specifically, pre-1965, half dollars, quarters, and dimes. And that's all I would buy for quite some time. They're just so highly recognizable. Most stackers know that any half dollar, quarter, or dime pre-1965 is 90% silver. It's just a fact. And a lot of non-stackers know that as well. So when I grew up, my folks bought a bunch of stuff in cash. You know, the groceries in cash. They bought their gas in cash. So they would actually get a lot of change. And so before my folks threw all their change in a jar like most people do, they actually looked to make sure that there was no silver coins in their change. And they're not stackers. So a lot of non-stackers and stackers know about junk silver. Also, another reason is junk silver is just not counterfeited. It is not worth it for these criminals to counterfeit, a dime, like this mercury dime. It's not worth it. It would take them so long and it would be so time consuming that they would never make any money counterfeiting dimes for a living. They usually concentrate on, bigger bills, gold pieces, silver, and so forth. I haven't heard too many stories whatsoever about a stacker finding generic, counterfeited junk silver in their stack. And bear in mind, I'm talking about half dollars, quarters, and dimes. I'm sure people have found Morgans and peace dollars that were counterfeited, but never half dollars, quarters, or dimes. So another reason why I would have just bought junk silver for a while is it's just easy to get and easy to sell. Most every coin shop that I know of either sells or buys junk silver. It's just a fact. It's so popular that, I have yet to find a place that does not sell it. It's easy to get on Instagram. It's easy to get on Facebook Marketplace. It's easy to get on OfferUp. There's always an abundance of junk silver. The pricing may not be good, but you can definitely get it. So I'm not a big SHTF scenario type guy whatsoever, but I do have a wide variety of ranges of junk silver. I have a bunch of dimes, I have a bunch of quarters, and I have a bunch of half dollars because they are fractional. In a SHTF scenario, that's what you want. You don't want to have to trade a 1 ounce silver American Eagle for a loaf of bread. If the dollar is tanked and you need food, I mean, a loaf of bread isn't going to be worth an American Silver Eagle. It may be worth this Benjamin half dollar, or it may be worth a dime. So it's just such a great piece to your foundation because it's fractional. But ultimately, the biggest reason why I buy junk silver is I can buy it close to spot normally. In this day and age right now, no one's able to buy anything close to spot. But a month ago, I would pay anywhere from 15 cents to 25 cents above spot on a regular basis. And that's a great deal. And it helps you stack a bunch of silver fairly inexpensive. And it's a good way to kind of tiptoe your way in the silver stacking game, rather than buying, a tube of American Silver Eagles, which right now is a tough thing to purchase because, paying $10 above spot for American Silver Eagles, is a tough thing to swallow, that's for sure. But yeah, so those are my reasons why, if I had to do it all over again, I'd buy junk silver. It's, again, highly recognizable. Anything pre-1965, half dollar, quarter, and dime is recognized, by most stackers and a lot of non-stackers. It's low counterfeited, so you're not having to be very paranoid about, oh man, is this Walking Liberty real? Because it's just not worth it for the criminals to buy. And you don't have to worry about, the stresses of, oh crap, am I going to be able to sell this stuff? Because everyone buys it. Every silver stacker, every coin shop buys it. It's never going to be an issue. Also, it's fractional. So in an SHTF scenario, you're good to go. And then also, lastly, it's cheap. Typically, it's close to spot or just, below spot in some cases. Like, if you watch Talkie Bullion's YouTube channel, he gets a lot of junk silver below spot. But I just want to thank you guys for taking the time out of your day to watch this video. I definitely appreciate it, and we'll talk to you later.